Good morning to all the listeners of this vlog. I'm Dr. Juni I'm broadcasting from a secret location in Zamboanga City, Philippines. Most people never heard of Zamboanga City, Philippines. So, this is the Chinese capital of the world, used to be the kidnap capital of the world. Today, I would like to talk about sex. Why do I get those bad looks? The topic for today is cancer and sexuality. Most people do not know that sex and cancer are related. You see, that's impossible. Well, the other day we talked about human papillomavirus 16 as a cause of head and neck cancer and a cause of cervical cancer. They are even giving vaccinations against papillomaviruses to prevent cancer. So, sex and cancer are related. But this is different. We are not talking about viruses. People have heard about retroviruses and HIV. HIV is also sexually transmitted most of the time. So sex and cancer is very relevant. Yet, this is not what we are going to talk today about. Now, what this article, this was written by Dr. Mark Circus sometime in 2013. And I've heard about this long ago. When you think of sexuality, most people think about the physical act. But sexuality goes beyond the physical act. When somebody is sexually molested, they get depressed, they have stress, their whole life is upside down, and because of stress, their cortisol level goes up. And when the cortisol, the immune system goes down, and it can cause cancer when the immune system goes down. So sex and cancer are related, not only on one level, not on the hormonal level, not only on the viral level, but on the stress and hormonal level of cortisol. So, what are the other factors that can cause cancer? Long ago, maybe 10-15 years ago, there were articles discussing such as if somebody developed cancer, find out what their negative problems are. Usually it was sexual molestation when they were younger, and they've been carrying that out throughout their life, and they develop cancer. But it's also possible that people have also bad memories and they develop cancer without being sexually molested. But this article long ago was about that problem, PSDT, or post-traumatic stress disorder, or post-traumatic sexual disorder, can cause cancer. I had one patient who developed breast cancer, but I'm not so sure if this was related. Her husband was molesting their son, and she held it in, never talked about it. They separated, but she developed breast cancer. Who knows that the breast cancer was due to the mental stress she had for years. And unless they give up that mental problem, the mental, whatever they call it, stress, and let it go, maybe the cancer will never be cured. Because the mental stress causes cancer. due to the cortisol levels being high all the time. What is stress? It has been defined as a state of threatened homeostasis. It results in changes in the immune system ability to immediately or in long-term immune challenge. And intense emotional stresses weaken the internal viscera, thus increasing the opportunity for pathogens of all types, including cancer. So if you're stressed, find out what's stressing you out. Maybe adapt, change your attitude. Don't worry, be happy. So smile. Smile. Don't worry, be happy. If your boyfriend breaks up with you, don't worry, be happy. If your husband has a kabit, don't worry, be happy. But this is in English. What's kabit? I don't know what's kabit in English. There's a Dr. Spiegel also said that sleep problems can also cause cancer. It's also the same pathway with cortisol level. But there may be a simple solution to the stress level and high cortisol, and this is DHEA, which is very cheap. They can buy that in health food stores in America, and DHEA will sort of reverse the stress levels of cortisol. So with DHEA, you can reverse that. But I'm not so sure if DHEA can be used for sleep. Melatonin maybe also will reduce your stress levels at night. But PTSD and sexual violence has been sort of documented as one of the triggers for cancer. But this was also sort of postulated by Dr. Sircus, S-I-R-C-U-S. So, in the United States, 1 in 5 women claim they have been sexually assaulted per the Center for Disease Control. So, if 1 in 5 women have been sexually assaulted and they may have subconscious trauma if it's not overly visible, then if they don't let it go or find other means of dealing with it, then they can have cancer. So, sexually having problems due to assault in the past can also cause cancer. So, Texas A&M University also posted something in the past. In almost all cases of serious illness, not just cancer, the core issue is hiding or there is an unresolved conflict that has been repeated over and over again in the person's life. Sexual emotional abuse. Australian Institute of Family Studies also reported that sex and cancer can also be related. So anybody with cancer maybe delve or maybe get somebody to help them dig deep into their psyche and remove that stress response or remove that stress problem they have in the past. So sex and cancer is a possibility and should be removed. Vaya con Dios, adios, and thank you. And don't forget to click the red button at the bottom of the video.